Basil here with Basil's Garage. Behind me is a Ford Super Duty that we just finished up. This customer came to us with a factory truck with a four-wheel camper Orvis in the back of it, and we did a full suspension, fuel tank, sway bar, and a couple other things to get this thing really happy with the camper in the back of it. Let's jump into it. So the biggest thing we did was the full Carli Pintop suspension. This is a 2.5 kit, so it roughly lifts the vehicle about 2.5 inches compared to factory. That's compared to a factory non-trimmer truck. This is a trimmer F250, so we're probably looking at closer to 1.5 inches of lift on this truck. This has a 2.5 inch body shock with a remote reservoir. We did both steering stabilizers, differential guard, torsion front sway bar, radius arm drops, and kept the factory radius arms. And then out back, we did the XHD leaf springs. We also paired those leaf springs with a Hellwig rear sway bar. Really good package. The front end is really well put together, and having that torsion sway bar and bigger shocks allows it to articulate more freely, as well as have a softer ride quality. And then on the rear, we optioned those XHD leaf springs to be able to help carry the camper's weight better. Paired with the Hellwig rear sway bar, it helps control the body roll of the vehicle really well. It's nice. It's what we run on our black shop truck actually, same suspension setup. The front end floats really well across stuff. Because the rear has more weight on it, it has the leverage to counteract that sway bar when in tighter hits or faster hits. But then when you're driving down the highway, you're able to corner it really tightly, and it's really, really well put together package. The customer also did up front a Ford factory worn winch. So this integrates into the factory front bumper. It is a factory option, but we can also do it aftermarket if you didn't get it from the factory. It's a 12,000 pound Warren winch with synthetic line tucked up in there. Looks really, really clean. We've done some where we did some light kits up top here as well too, that helps kind of make it a full bumper package if you did want to do full bumper without having to have the weight and cost of a full bumper. Underneath the truck, we did a 60-gallon transfer flow fuel tank. So this customer loves to travel into some really deep remote regions, has some plans for some Mexico trips out of it, and having the fuel capacity to go 700, 800, 900 miles is pretty important. There's definitely some regions that we go to down in Mexico that having that fuel capacity just gives you peace of mind. It allows you to maybe drive down to a section of the coast and not be stressed about fuel, and you can check every single look in the little nook and cranny for waves and not have to be like, oh, I can't make it down that dirt road because I don't have enough fuel, or I don't want to drive through those dunes. Really, really nice add-on. And if you have the suspension out of the truck, the rear leaf spring bolt is out of the way, and you can do the tank at the same time. So quickly, the camper on the back of this is a Four Wheel Camper's Orvis. This is technically the Hawk size camper, so it's for a short bed full-size truck or 6.5 foot bed full-size truck. Customers had this for a while. Obviously it's well used. He's been really stoked on it. Camper weighs probably wet in the 1,700 to 1,800 pound range, maybe a little bit more than that. I think ride height on this thing sits perfectly with the camper in the back of it. Still a little bit of rake, pretty well loaded. I don't know if there's water in the system or anything like that, but overall looks great, handles the weight really well. Also in the back seat of the truck, we installed a ARB twin brushless compressor. So underneath the seat, flick that guy up, there's a ARB brushless compressor that's plumbed to 2 separate fill ports, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. I kind of say it over and over with every build. If it's not easy to air back up, you'll never air down. So if you make it really clean and simple like that, to where you just have your air hose, plug it in, flick a switch on the upfitter switches, and you're done, it's well worth it. Whether you're looking to get your vehicle outfitted to carry a camper better, it could be a go-fast camper or a four-wheel camper, or you're looking to build something for work or daily driving use, we're happy to help. We're located here in San Diego, California, and we do suspension, wheels, tires, the works. You can bring us any factory vehicle and it can leave looking just like this or however you'd like it. Dialed.